All right, YouTube. Today we're going to show you how to change an air filter in a 2019 Toyota CHR. So as you can see, I have the engine well open. We're going to walk up to the car, and your air filter is actually right in here. So I'm going to show you how to open this up and change that air filter. As you can see, this is your housing area. You have a mechanism here that if you would like to take off, you can. I tried it both ways. You can actually either leave it on or take it off. But the most important thing is are your two clips here. So you have to just put a little pressure on these and you lock them, or unlock them, I'm sorry. And you're gonna do that again. And then once it does that, it actually just releases it, so now it's able to be opened. As you can see, it's very loose now. So you can just take this with a little bit of force, and you can pry it back. And as you see, you have your air filter right here. As you can see, this one is very clean, brand new car. But if you were changing it, of course, you would just take this one out, put the new one right back in here, this side down, like this. And then you would basically just put the little things right here on the left side back underneath, so that it allows it to close, and then push down with a little bit of force, and your little clips here will lock back into place. So that one's actually very easy. As you see, that's changing an air filter within the engine well. I'm going to be showing how to do a cabin air filter as well in an additional video. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and thank you for watching, guys.